Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Okay, next example, let's come down here and let's take a look at some concrete tools in here. These are some tools that I built for another concrete contractor. You can see I've got all my isolated footings under the columns. I've got some piers in here as well, strip footings, walls, all sorts of different concrete shapes. And what I want to show you here is these were all their common slabs that they're pouring, 4-inch, maybe with welded wire fabric. Just randomly place these here. I built those tools so they have a little hatch pattern in there, indicating the welded wire fabric. If we come down here, we've got a 5-inch slab with number 5, or with reinforcing at 12 inches on center. Trace that out. Again, I put a hatch pattern on that. And the depth of that is 5 inches. I built that into the tool. Let's try a 6-inch with 18-inch spacing on the rebar. I widened out the hatch pattern a little bit more. And then we'll do an 8-inch slab also at 24 inches on center. So you can see all those different tools. So these tools not only will give us the volume of concrete, but what I've done is build out custom columns down here to get my rebar. So let's filter this list to show only my slabs. Stretch this up a little bit. The welded wire fabric. We might not have any rebar in there, so we can switch this to 0. We're just entering in the size of the rebar. So this is a number 4, so on and so forth. I built a column in here, so if maybe in this 8-inch slab we have bars on the top and bottom, I can come in here and put in 2 mats. I built in the spacing. The tool was built for 24 inches on center, so here I've got the 2 feet in there in each direction. And it's doing the math for me and telling me we need 1,254 linear feet of that number 4 bar. So that's giving me the grid total in each direction, top and bottom. This one here was the one where it was 18 inches on center. So we got that in here, gives us our quantities, and so on and so forth. We can set these up to get a lot more precise data out of the same markup. So I don't have to go in here and draw in lines for all my rebar either. It's all a formula of the shape of the concrete. So lots of cool stuff that you can do in there. I hope you learned a thing or two. You can apply it to your work immediately. If you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to the team at Brighter Graphics or myself. We'd be happy to help you with those.